Well, hey guys, and welcome to your Emerge Science class. And this is my introduction podcast to tell you a little bit about myself and what to expect in your science classes this year. Some of you have had me in class before, so you know a little bit about me, but some of you don't, so here's a bit of an introduction from me. This was taken last May when I climbed Mount Baker. That's actually me on both sides of the picture. If you know how I did that, you can tell me in class, and who knows, you may get extra points. I like to play outside. I like to backcountry ski, and obviously I like to mountain climb. So as many opportunities as I get to be outside, I love doing that. In addition to that, I taught for 26 years at Monforton School, which is out west of Bozeman. I taught 6th, 7th, and 8th grade science. In addition to that, I taught everything else 8th grade. So I taught reading, typing, spelling, writing, all the kind of language arts sorts of things. So when I ask you to write in science class, you'll know that I have lots of experience helping students write in class. I also teach at Montana State University. That's my full-time job. I teach science teachers how to teach. Most of my classes are done online. I'm on campus generally on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then on Wednesday I'll be with you at your Emerge Science class. We are going to use a program that's called Classcraft, and in that program each of you will create an avatar, and that avatar, that character then will be able to earn points based on things that you do in the class. So when you do a homework assignment, you'll get points for it. When you participate in other aspects of the class, you're going to get points for it. The points don't really go with your grade. Those are two separate things, but we found last year that when we used Classcraft that students really enjoyed the added challenge of earning points and changing the clothing and the hairstyle and things like that on your avatar. So make sure if you haven't signed up yet, that you get all that stuff taken care of. In the class itself is where I will deliver your content. Your assignments will be there, your homework every week. If I have a podcast for you or a web link for you to go to, this is where you will go. We will also have weekly discussions, and also on the Classcraft page are help resources. So if you need something like a piece of graph paper, or you forgot what the learner goals were, you don't know how to get that, all of that information will be available for you. I will have you participate every week in an online discussion. And remember, this is you talking to each other. I may or may not be involved in the discussion, but I want you to be talking about the science content. One of the purposes of Emerge is to have you engage in real life situations relative to the classes that you're taking every week. This is where you're going to do that. So if your parents ever ask you, how are you relating this to real life? This is where that connection will take place. Every week I will have you do a discussion rubric. There's a page that you can print, and then every week I'll have you fill out this page and bring it to me, just hand it in on Wednesdays when we have class, and then you'll get scores for that. You'll get points for that. Remember, you get points for Classcraft, and you'll also get a grade for this. There's a textbook for each of the courses that you're taking, and hopefully you have those textbooks by now. There will be reading assignments in the books. There'll be questions that you'll answer in the books. And then, as much as we can, we are going to do lab activities when we're together in class. We'll probably take a few minutes at the beginning of class to go over homework and answer any questions that you might have, get your discussion scores, those kinds of things. But most every class session, we will be involved in some sort of hands-on activity where we're doing science. So come prepared to do that. I will have you keep your science learning and understanding in a notebook, and we will take notebook grades from time to time. When you do assignments at home that are listed on the Classcraft webpage, you'll put those assignments and the questions, the answers to questions, you'll write those right in your science notebook. So then if you have a discussion rubric, just fold it and stick it in your science notebook, bring it to class, and then all the rest of the information should be in your notebook every week. We try to have a lot of fun in class, so as we're doing activities, we'll have fun, but we'll also do an awful lot of learning. So buckle up, get ready for the year. If you have questions, please email me. Otherwise, I will see you in class. Thanks. Bye now.